Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we have something exciting for all you keto enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the highly anticipated Keto Snacks Cookbook by the renowned Louise Hendon. Whether you're new to the ketogenic lifestyle or a seasoned keto pro, this cookbook promises to satisfy your snacking cravings without derailing your low-carb goals. I'm Davis, and I'm here to provide an honest review of this fantastic resource. Before we jump into the details, let me tell you a bit about the author, Louise Hendon. She's a well-known figure in the keto community and has authored several successful keto cookbooks. The Keto Snacks Cookbook is a comprehensive collection of 100 delicious and healthy snack recipes designed specifically for those following a ketogenic diet. What makes this book stand out is its focus on providing practical and easy-to-follow recipes that cater to various taste preferences and dietary restrictions. The cookbook starts with an introduction to the ketogenic diet, explaining its principles and benefits, making it a great resource for beginners. It covers all the basics, including macronutrient ratios, ketosis, and the science behind low-carb snacking. The recipe selection in this cookbook is truly impressive. From savory to sweet, you'll find a wide range of options to satisfy your snacking desires. It includes snacks like keto cheese crisps, bacon-wrapped avocado fries, and even low-carb chocolate chip cookies. Louise Hendon has carefully crafted each recipe to ensure they are low in carbs, high in healthy fats, and bursting with flavor.